Paper or plastic's not much of an option any longer, so you usually end up with dozens of plastic grocery bags that you need to recycle or reuse, but storing them neatly is always a challenge. Here's one idea. Start with a piece of 4-inch plastic sewer pipe and use a jigsaw to cut a rounded slot on one end. This is about 6 inches high and 2.5 inches wide. And then take an end cap and screw it to the wall. This is about 3 feet off the ground with a single 1 5/8 inch drywall screw. And then all you need to do is set the pipe in the end cap and fasten it to the wall, again with a single screw. You're going to drive it, I drilled a hole in the back of the pipe, so I'm just going to attach it right to the wall. Line it up, you want to get it pretty straight. You're going to drive in the screw. There you go. And now you can take the bags and stuff them in the pipe. This pipe is about 2 feet long and it'll hold a surprising number of bags. You can probably fit 4 or 5 dozen bags in there. You just stuff them in, and then when you need to use one, you just pull it out. It works almost like a tissue dispenser. And when you come in, empty out your groceries, just stuff them back in, and they're ready when you are.